watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell overall on Friday after data showed the unemployment rate dropped to 7.8% from 8.1% in the preceding month, leading to a rise in risk appetite and a drop in safe haven demand. The dollar ended the day at 1.3034 to the euro and 78.66 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro rose after ECB President Mario Draghi talked up the readiness of the central bank to help struggling member states using its bond buying program. The euro ended the day at 102.54 to the yen and 0.8078 to the pound. Today's data includes German industrial production, which is expected to fall by minus 0.5% month on month in August, Eurozone investor confidence, and German trade figures. British pound. The pound traded mixed on Friday, rising versus the dollar as it rode a wave of risk appetite, stimulated by better-than-expected US employment figures, but falling to the euro, which rallied on renewed hopes of a Spanish bailout. The pound ended the day at 1.6133 to the dollar and 126.89 to the yen. Data from the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors is expected to show a slump in house prices today. Japanese yen. The yen fell on Friday after a general rise in risk appetite stimulated by strong US employment data and hopes of a Spanish bailout led to a fall in safe haven demand. At the BOJ rate meeting, speculation of further easing proved unfounded after the governing council left policies unchanged. The yen ended the day at 78.66 to the dollar and 102.54 to the euro. Today's data includes the trade balance, which is expected to show a deepening deficit of minus 628.6 billion versus minus 373.6 billion yen previously. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.301 with targets at 1.294 and 1.2875 in extension. Above 1.301, which will look for further upside with 1.304 and 1.307 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6125 with targets at 1.6065 and 1.603 in extension. Above 1.6125, which will look for further upside with 1.6175 and 1.6215 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 78.65 with targets at 78.25 and 78.05 in extension. Above 78.65, which will look for further upside with 78.85 and 79 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.